Many cities around the world declared themselves on the brink of the worst economic downturn since the Great Depression. The very things which represented living in a city are facing a question mark. Things like community gatherings, sports activities, education, and recreations are not the same as before. The biggest question before the entire world is how to restart. The restart will not be possible without a reset of mindset, a reset of processes, and a reset of practices. Friends, our cities cannot prosper without availability of affordable housing. Realizing this, we launched the Housing for All program in 2015. I am happy to note that we are well on our way. We will deliver more than 1 crore or 10 million houses to aspiring families in urban areas before the targeted deadline of 2022. Looking at the conditions created by the pandemic, we also introduced an affordable rental housing initiative. We created the Real Estate Regulation Act. This has transformed the dynamics of the real estate sector. Also, this has made it more customer-oriented and transparent. To unleash the full potential of technology, integrated command and control centers have been set up in many cities. These centers are currently also serving as war rooms to manage the COVID situation in various cities. Lastly, I would like to remind one thing to all of you. If you are looking to invest in urbanization, India has exciting opportunities for you. If you are looking to invest in mobility, India has exciting opportunities for you. If you are looking to invest in innovation, India has exciting opportunities for you. If you are looking to invest sustainable solutions, India has exciting opportunities for you. These opportunities come along with a vibrant democracy, a business-friendly climate, a huge market, and a government which shall have not stone unturned to make India a preferred global investment destination.